everyone, we are now learning about fire fighting on board ship. The fire protection work on ship must implement the policy of prevention. First combination of prevention and fire extinguishing with a focus on prevention. The purpose of prevention is to prevent fire, and all preparations for extinguish fire must be made. Learning target 1. Master the policy of ship fire protection work. 2. Mastery of fire control for ship safety. 3. Knowledge of ship firefighting requirements. 4. Master the test points about fire hazards, the importance of fire fighting on board ships and the need for daily fire prevention in the examination of basic safety training certificate. Study contents. 1. Leading. 2. The policy of ship fire protection work. 3. Ship safety fire prevention control. 4. The policy of ship fire protection work. 5. Test. 6. Extension. Study content 1. Leap in. The video shows the crew checking the firefighting equipment. Think if a fire breaks out on a ship, what can be relied upon for assistance? Crew and equipment. Study content 2. Ship safety fire prevention control. In order to prevent and stop the occurrence and spread of fire and minimize the loss caused by fire, the fire fighting policy of the ship is prevention, first prevention and elimination combined. Study content 3. Fire protection for ship. Firstly, it establishes a ship fire safety responsibility system with the captain as the chief person in charge, the chief mate and the chief engine officer as the departmental person in charge, and all the crew members as the executants. Secondly, it establishes a ship fire safety system, including the systems of open fire operation and electrical fire prevention. Thirdly, it strengthens the education of the crew members on fire safety and raises the awareness of fire safety. And lastly, it does a good job of fire prevention in the day-to-day work by checking the fire safety hidden dangers and maintaining the firefighting equipment on a regular basis. Study content for ship firefighting. Achieve prevention. First combination of prevention and fire extinguishing. Do prevention. First combination of prevention and fire extinguishing. The main body of prevention and elimination is human. The human factor is the first. On board, everyone is a fire safety officer. Everyone is a fireman. It is necessary for the crew to master the knowledge of fire fighting on the ship, the skills of fire fighting on the ship, and regular fire drills to reduce the fire hazards. Study content 5. Test. Now please complete the following test based on what you have learned in this lesson. Study content 6. Extension. Ship safety fire prevention is essentially from control combustible materials such as special custody of flammable and explosive substances, selection of high flash point fuel oil lubricants, ship materials as far as possible, selection of flame retardant materials, the use of fire insulating insulation, control ventilation through the quick closing device to close the fire scene of the ventilation channel and ventilation equipment, and control heat source, hot surfaces for bandaging, high temperature and high pressure containers. To install safety belts, do a good job in terms of control of the combustion of the three elements. The above content is our study of fire fighting on board ship. That's all for this class. Of substances.